Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold the power button and volume up to bring up boot options, and then select power off. When the phone turns off, hold power button and the volume down at the same time. And this, I presume, will take us to boot mode. So when you see this mode, you can immediately let go of the buttons, and then using volume buttons either up or down, you want to have a recovery mode visible right here like it is right now, and then confirm it using your power button. Now next we will have Android with no command to show up, so to get past that screen we will need to hold the power button, and while holding it you're gonna press volume up. Like so. And this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in this mode, again, we will be using volume buttons to navigate through the options, and power will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the previous page. Enter fast boot mode. Apply updates from ADB or SD card. Wipe data. Mount system. View logs. Run tests. And power off. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, and this, like I mentioned before, will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.